the latest update and knowledge of all around the world. So let's begin by calling the participants on the stage. And the participants are, first is Mahi, second is Jashandeep, third is Raj, and fourth is Jashanpreet. So be calm, take a deep breath, and all the best to all of you. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Related by past generations. In a world without libraries, it would be difficult to advance research and human knowledge or preserve what cumulative knowledge and heritage for the future generations. Like William the Conqueror to Winnie the Pooh. You can look into the mirror or read the Times or bring along a toddler to chant some rhymes. The librarian's a friend who loves to lend. So see if there's a book that she can recommend.